Hey friends, this is the new bird feeder which is retractable, and this can be easily carried anywhere and then hang it to the trees or maybe to the backyards. Let's check the contents of it. This is nicely secured pack. The package is very good. It's very nicely, firmly and securely packed, and there is no damage, and it's very bright color, especially dark green. I wanted dark green in my backyard to match to my the backyard fence colors. So there is a small manual that is provided. Wow, this is very simple. So you open the bird cage at the top, and once you pull it out and open this and then feed your bird food or food and then put the lid back. This is pretty straightforward. There is no assembly, there is no screwing, nothing is required. This is like right away using as is the product. So they recommend to keep the feeder about like 1 meter, which is like 3 feet from windows. Otherwise the birds could collide to the windows. They say outdoor use only, cleaning and maintenance. This should be pretty simple. Or you could also pour all the bird feeder. This has enough room to fill in the bird feeder. So once you do it, put the lid back, and then if you extend it, it will extend. And the birds can take in the food all the way, the grains from the top of this, and then the birds can fly over here and then eat all the food. And the good part is there is no way to the small animals like squirrels can come and then eat or steal the bird's food. This is pretty, I would say this is a very good product, especially the design is great. And then even for smaller birds or the larger birds, they can always get in all the food either from here or they can also get from these holes. Overall, it's a pretty good product, and yeah, definitely highly recommend. I would love to see all the birds in my backyard. Thanks for watching.